Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to trade on Discord. First, join vetted servers and read pinned rules immediately. Create a clear profile with trading intent and honest feedback. Establish secure communication and avoid sharing personal documents. Use separate channels or threads for offers and confirmations. Track each trade in a simple spreadsheet with dates and agreed terms. Always double-check usernames and item details before sending anything to another member. Search for trade channels using specific tags and keywords to find relevant listings quickly. Introduce yourself briefly and mention what you are offering in a single clear sentence. Ask seller or buyer for screenshots or proof of ownership when appropriate. Propose a meeting time and method to transfer items or payment safely. Keep messages concise and confirm all terms before committing to avoid misunderstandings and disputes later on. Prioritize safety by using server-approved middlemen for high-value trades to reduce risk. Agree on exact payment methods, amounts, and currency like dollar or crypto before proceeding. Never send items until payment confirmation is received in your account. Keep copies of all chat logs, screenshots, and timestamps in case you need to escalate an issue. Trust your instincts and step away from deals that feel rushed or pressured by other members.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.